The base bike for the design concept and planned build is a Triumph Thruxton 1200 RS. All parts for the modifications are available via aftermarket third-party vendors with very little need for customization. The majority of the modifications for the build are cosmetic. Engine, electronics, suspension, and brakes remain OEM spec, including all riding aids. Let's get started with the first modification. We will remove the original rear fender, rear turn signal, the license plate holder, and the tail light. In the next step, we will replace the original seat with the Tamrit Harace Racing seat, which will need some small modification to fit the Thruxton. We also install the new Rage Cycles tucked fender eliminator kit, which replaces the original rear turn signals and rear tail light. Now, we replace the original side covers with Tamrit Next Generation Dalua side covers, which can be customized in any design desired. In addition, the original fuel tank is painted matte black to match the paint of the Harace Racing seat. In the next step, we will remove the original headlight and front turn signals. The headlight gets replaced with the JW LED headlight, which also requires the JW mounting ring. In addition, we install the lowering Speedo headlights kit, which will lower the overall headlight position. Some small modification are needed to fit the headlight closer, which results in a slightly higher angle for the instrument dash. To better fit the new seating position of the installed Harace Racing seat, we replace the original handlebars with lower clip-on handlebars, which also include new adjustable brake and clutch levers as well as integrated front turn signals and new mirrors. For a more aggressive look, we will black matte powder coat the top triple clamp, the mudguard bracket, the lower fork feet, and the inside of the front brake caliper discs. We also remove the front side reflector on the fork. In the next step, we will change some of the bodywork with installing the Tamrit Little Bastard front fender as well as the Tamrit belly pan. Now we will do some optical modifications to the engine, which includes blacking out the intake and throttle body, the exhaust engine mount, the engine valve cover, the front radiator, and the cylinder side cooling rips. To give the bike a more vintage look, we replace the bike's original clutch and alternator cover with matte black ripped covers on both sides. We also wrap both manifolds with black Thermotech exhaust wrap tape. To match the blacked-out look of the front of the bike, we also black powder coat the bike's footrests, the rear swing arm, and the main rear sprocket. The final two modifications include the replacement of the original muffler with the Remus stainless steel exhaust in a black ceramic finish and replacing the original O-link chain with an upgraded gold X-ring chain. This concludes the main modifications and build of the Triumph Thruxton design concept by MPC Custom Motorcycle Designs. Optional modifications include a custom-build inlay exhaust system, which also could be wrapped with black Thermotech exhaust wrap tape. Also optional is the upgrade of the stock rear shocks and dampers to Yellow Aline's S36PL shocks and springs. You can download a detailed description of all modification and parts used for our build via the link in the video description below. The description also shows different variations of modifications, including different color options. Thanks for watching.